Breaking news that's coming in. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has sought a report on the Zika virus situation in Kanpur. Chief Minister will be visiting Kanpur on the 10th of November to take stock of the measures being taken to tackle the Zika situation. In fact, let's go across to Amir, who's joining us for more details here. Amir, in fact, one issue is already with respect to dengue. Now, this issue as far as Zika virus is also cropping up. What can you tell us?
Well, definitely after COVID, dengue and now Zika virus is definitely posing a huge challenge before the health apparatus as well as the UP government, which is why now the UP Chief Minister has decided to visit Kanpur tomorrow, that is on the 10th of November, and he's also sought a report from the Health Minister JP Singh as well as the Medical Education Minister Suresh Khanna, and this report will be filed in a couple of days with the Chief Minister's office. Well, the first case of Zika virus was detected on the 23rd of October in Kanpur near the Air Force Station area. In fact, one of the Air Force warrant officers was the first one to be detected Zika virus positive. And since then, there has been a consistent increase in the number of Zika virus cases that have been detected from Kanpur. We've been told by the Chief Medical Officer that a total of 89 people have been diagnosed with Zika virus over the last 2 weeks, and in fact 17 of such cases have been detected to have belonged to those that are actually minors. Now the health department as well as the civic authorities are trying to spread awareness across as far as preventing Zika virus is concerned, and that definitely entails preventing the breeding of mosquitoes. Zika virus symptoms is also being advertised. They're also being told to people so as to prevent the spread of such cases, and also so that the cases which are found positive are immediately reported to the health authorities. So the authorities are doing as much as they can to prevent the spread of this mosquito-borne disease. But yes, it's a huge challenge before the health apparatus. Thankfully, no deaths have been reported till now from Kanpur. But yes, at least one case has also been reported from Kannauj, the neighboring district. So it still remains to be seen as to what the Chief Minister says after his visit to Kanpur tomorrow, because that is, being seen as a very crucial and important visit by the Chief Minister there in Kanpur.
All right, Amir, thank you so much for joining us with all of those.